Have you ever wondered what $119,900 buys in the world of classic American muscle? This 1972 Dodge Charger is about to show you why legends never die, the unmistakable silhouette. The thunder of a naturally aspirated Mopar V8, the iconic Air Grabber hood rising proudly above the bodywork. This isn't just another restored classic, it's a professionally rotisserie-restored 1972 Dodge Charger built to capture the golden age of American performance. Welcome back to the channel! If you love rare muscle cars, legendary V8 engines, and showroom quality restorations, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because today we're taking an in-depth cinematic tour of one of the most desirable second-generation Chargers ever brought back to life. From the very first glance, this Charger commands attention. Every curve, every body line, and every chrome detail reminds you why Dodge dominated the muscle car wars. Even standing still, this machine looks fast. It has the aggressive stance, the wide body, and the unmistakable presence that made the Charger one of the most recognized American performance cars ever built. But what truly separates this example from many others is its incredible rotisserie restoration. A rotisserie restoration is considered one of the highest standards in the collector car world. The body is completely removed from the chassis, so every square inch can be restored, refinished, inspected, and detailed. That means the underside receives the same level of care as the top surfaces, resulting in a vehicle that looks exceptional from every angle. Open the hood and you'll find the heart of this legendary machine, a Dodge 340 cubic inch V8 engine. The 340 has earned a reputation as one of Mopar's finest small block power plants. It delivers impressive performance, quick throttle response, and the unmistakable rumble that muscle car enthusiasts crave. Fire it up, and the deep exhaust note instantly transports you back to the early 1970s when horsepower ruled American roads. One of the most exciting features is the famous N96 Air Grabber hood. More than just an aggressive styling cue, the Air Grabber system was designed to channel cooler outside air directly into the engine, improving airflow while giving the Charger one of the boldest hood designs ever installed on a production muscle car. Watching that iconic scoop dominate the front view is enough to make any Mopar fan smile. Backing the 340 V8 is a true enthusiast transmission, a 4-speed manual. In today's world of paddle shifters and automatic gearboxes, rowing through 4 gears with a proper clutch pedal creates a driving experience that feels raw, mechanical, and incredibly rewarding. Every shift connects the driver directly with the machine, making every mile unforgettable. Despite its classic personality, this Charger also offers comfort where it matters. Equipped with power steering, it becomes much easier to maneuver whether cruising through town or parking at a local car show. Power brakes provide additional confidence by improving stopping performance, allowing the driving experience to remain enjoyable and controlled. Walk around the exterior and you'll appreciate the precision of the restoration. The body panels align beautifully, the paint reflects like glass, and the chrome trim sparkles under the lights. Every detail has been carefully restored to create a muscle car that looks as impressive today as it would have decades ago. Step inside, and the cabin perfectly captures the spirit of early 1970s American performance. The dashboard maintains its classic design, the gauges remain easy to read, and the center console proudly houses the 4-speed shifter. Every surface reflects careful craftsmanship while preserving the authentic character that collectors value. Imagine sliding behind the wheel. Your hand wraps around the shifter, the key turns. The 340 V8 roars to life with a deep, unmistakable growl. As you release the clutch and roll forward, every vibration reminds you that you're driving genuine American muscle, not a modern imitation, but the real thing. On the open road, the Charger delivers the type of experience that made these cars legendary. Acceleration feels immediate. The V8 soundtrack echoes through the cabin, and every shift through the 4-speed manual keeps you fully engaged. It's not just transportation, it's an event every time you drive. Collectors appreciate vehicles like this because quality restorations preserve automotive history while making these classics enjoyable for modern ownership. A professionally restored Charger, equipped with a desirable 340 V8, a 4-speed manual transmission, and the sought-after N96 Air Grabber hood, checks many of the boxes enthusiasts look for. The Charger name has become one of the greatest icons in American automotive history. It represents bold styling, unforgettable performance, and an era when manufacturers competed to build the most exciting muscle cars on the planet. This particular example proudly carries that heritage forward with exceptional attention to detail. Priced at $119,900, this Charger represents far more than its components. You're investing in craftsmanship, history, engineering, and one of the most recognizable muscle car designs ever produced. Vehicles restored to this standard often become the centerpiece of collections while remaining capable of winning admiration at cruises, exhibitions, and classic car events. For buyers looking to make ownership easier, financing options are available through Vanguard Motor Sales, helping enthusiasts bring home the classic muscle car they've always dreamed about. Whether you're a lifelong Mopar enthusiast or someone discovering classic American performance for the first time, it's easy to understand why the 1972 Dodge Charger continues to command respect decades after it first rolled off the assembly line. Its combination of timeless styling, legendary V8 power, a 4-speed manual, power steering, power brakes, and the iconic N96 Air Grabber hood creates an unforgettable package that celebrates everything enthusiasts love about the golden age of muscle cars. If this incredible 1972 Dodge Charger deserves a place in your dream garage, let us know in the comments what your favorite feature is. Is it the legendary 340 V8? The 4-speed manual, the Air Grabber hood, or the stunning rotisserie restoration? If you enjoyed this cinematic tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more extraordinary classic cars, rare restorations, and unforgettable American muscle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.